Good morning, girls. Today we will discuss about page number 18 and 19. Look at the picture. Read what it shows and say what will happen. Write down your answer. चित्र पहा, वर्णन वाचा आणि पुढे काय होईल ते सांगा आणि तुमचे उत्तर लिहून काढा. Here in first picture we can see something scribbled on this wall. There is a man with duster, a bucket of water. Mr. Clean does not like the scribbling on the wall. What will he do? Yes, correct. He will wipe the scribbling off. In second picture, a girl is walking by. She is Manisha. Manisha is hungry. What will she do? She seems hungry, so she will eat something. In third picture, a girl is injured. What will her friends do? They will take care of her, or they will take Dolly to her home. Now in fourth picture, Mr. Knocker wants to enter in this house. What will he do? He will ring the doorbell or he will knock the door. In next picture, Manish is walking in the hot sun. He is thirsty. What will he do? Yes, he will drink water. In next picture, a couple is busy. There is a dog with them. His name is Sheru, and Sheru wants to play with them. What will happen? Mr. and Mrs. Engineer will be angry with the Sheru. आता बघा, आपल्याला इथे 4 चित्र दिसत आहेत आणि त्यात पाऊस सुरू होण्याची आपल्याला लक्षणं दिसत आहेत. It is about to rain. What will they do? In the first picture, Sunil is getting ready for school. What will he do? You can guess now. Look at the picture carefully and answer. Watch this picture carefully. What can you see in this picture? There are some things. In next picture, Daji is going to water the plants. What will he do? Vanita Kaku has put the clothes on the clothesline to dry. What will she do? Guess now. A cow is grazing. What will she do? Try to find out the answers. Now let's go to the page number 19. Say what the people and animals in the picture are doing and then answer the questions. चित्रातील माणसं व प्राणी काय करत आहेत ते सांगा आणि नंतर प्रश्नाचे उत्तर द्या. In first picture, Shubham is taking guavas to the market. You can see this picture. You can see all these things. Observe this picture carefully and answer. Who took the guavas? Who took the guavas? You can frame other questions beginning with who. Observe all these pictures carefully and make at least 5 questions that begin with who. ही सर्व चित्र काळजीपूर्वक बघा आणि हूने सुरू होणारे किमान 5 प्रश्न तयार करा.